Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Amaris. If you're returning, I love you. Today I have a clipping tutorial for you guys. The hair is from Curlsqueen. Length is 20 inches and it's yaki light, so it matches my texture perfectly and it was so easy to install. Previously I had my hair braided from wearing wigs, so I just took out the leave out part, and that's what I used to install this clip-ins. It looks amazing, so natural, it curls so well. As you can see how shiny it is, I'm just in love with it. I can't wait to try different styles with this. I'm going to show you it straight and then curly as well, and show you how simple it is to achieve this clipped back side part look that I've got going on. But yeah, make sure you stay to the end and see the process. I love you guys. Bye. I'm a sucker for good packaging, and when it comes to Curlsqueen, they always have the best packaging and things inside it. You have a brush, bonnet, clips, everything you would need. I just love it. I love the quality of their hair. I previously used their tapes, so I knew I was in for a good install. Guys, I'm about to look crazy, but trust the process. I've already gelled my edges a bit off camera. I'm currently transitioning from texture released hair to natural hair. As you can see, I have like regrowth at the front and the ends of my hair is straight. So because I'm in that in-between stage, I've actually been struggling with figuring out what to do with my hair whilst I'm letting it grow out. So these yaki light clips are a perfect texture whilst I'm going through this phase. I started off using 3 clips at the back, as I thought this would be easier as the back of my head is quite small. Once I got to the top of my hair, I switched back to 3 clips as I had a shorter area to cover. The higher up I got in my head, I started to use the longer clips as I just had more space to cover. This hair is so easy to straighten. I literally had to just do one pass and it was straight. I love low maintenance hair because I don't have time to always be straightening my hair and be worrying when I go out that it'll be puffy. But with hair from Curlsqueen, the hair will always be great quality. It's definitely a great investment as the hair always comes out so nice. I'm not gonna lie, the only hard part about this install was actually my hair. Like, my hair is really thick at the moment, but when actually installing the clips, it was very quick, so simple. But the only long part was just straightening my natural hair, and I'm not the best at straightening my natural hair because the roots are really thick, but I did a great job. I think it came out really nicely. Here I'm using a wax stick to make sure that my hair is flat. I like to rub it into my hand so that it doesn't leave a white cast. me tell you guys about our elite combination. You need to mix your gummy with your gorilla snot and got to be spray on top. This is my go-to combination when I'm doing my edges, especially when I'm on holiday. And just like that, you are done. Look how simple and easy this was to do. I highly recommend these clip-ins. I'm gonna next show you guys how to curl these clip-ins and do a simple side parting hairstyle. So first I just clip away my hair. So I just start off with the back and work my way up towards the top of my head. So I'm going for a beach wave hairstyle. So I'm just going to use my hairspray and use a barrel curler, as I feel like this gives me amazing waves. So I just repeat this process, which is just using the hairspray and then curling the hair. I'm sorry if I sound a bit funny. I just had my wisdom tooth taken out, so I'm talking a bit crazy, but you guys understand what I'm trying to say. This is what your curls will look like before you comb it out. I just add a bit of hairspray just to lock in the curls. So what I do to create a uniform curl is to comb it and then like push the hair up. As you can see, I do like a pushing motion. This technique gives you that Hollywood waves that you're looking for. So here I decided I wanted to do something different with my hair. I think that when I clipped it back, it just gave it a different look. So guys, this hair was so easy to install. It didn't take long at all. From going from straight to curly was really easy as well. The hair holds a nice curl as well, very shiny, lightweight hair, as well as it has a lot of movement, but also it's thick, so it just like covers all the areas you want in clip-ins. I really love the hair texture as it matches my hair as well. I'm going to be doing different hairstyles with it as I feel like clip-ins is so quick to install. And thank you guys for watching. Thank you Curlsqueen for sponsoring. Please like, subscribe and share. I love you guys. Bye.